Now getting to the Chia. So basically, I mentioned in my GPU video that this PC right here has been giving me trouble. It's been crashing on me, blue screens on me, even if I'm not doing anything other than mining, GPU mining on it. It just starts giving me issues. And so interestingly, this is one of the ones that has an M.2 slot. This guy has one, but it's being taken up by the OS drive, so I can't plot on it. But this one I added a separate M.2 drive on here just for plotting, but now I can't really use it because anytime I plot with it, within 5 minutes it crashes. If I'm not plotting, it still crashes after some time. But regardless though, that is going to be trouble, and this PC is going to be really terrible for plotting. I think the CPU is trash, RAM is trash, so I'm just not going to bother. But regardless though, I've been using my one PC that's sitting in my room. It's running about 16 gigs of RAM, and it's got a Ryzen 3600, I believe. And so it's been pushing out plots on Mad Max about 1 per 71 minutes. That's been my kind of general time frame. And so if we look here at Chia, so right now on this PC, this is just my farming PC. I've got 111 plots on here. And we are, if we want to look at what we've got going on here, I've got this Easy Store right here. It's a 10.9 terabyte drive, and I've got it almost entirely filled. I mean, there's like 27.5 gigs chilling, but I can't even fit another plot on there. So that one's the one that's being farmed right now currently. This guy is basically empty. I think I have one plot on there, and it is getting farmed, but I will eventually move this guy over. That's going to be this one on the right side. So I'm going to eventually move that over to where I am actually doing the plotting. So let me go ahead and head over there and show you guys that. Alrighty, so just to go ahead and take a look here at how it's going with plotting. So I've been running Mad Max on here for some time, and so we are at phase 3, it looks like, for this plot, and this is number 70 out of 71 that I was running because I thought that would fill the entire drive, but it looks like I'm going to have to run about 2 more plots, which should be fine. So I'll eventually go ahead and run that, and that should fill up this Seagate drive right here, which is a 7.27 terabyte drive. That is this guy right over here. And actually, in terms of new drives that are external, this is the cheapest I've found, and it's on again, it's supposed to be a 8 terabyte and or whatever, there's a difference, terabyte, tibabyte, or something like that, but it's 7.27 terabytes for $150. That is the best price that I've found so far. Everything else just doesn't seem to match for some reason. Regardless though, so on the shelf is going to show as 8 terabytes, but it's not bad at all, and I got those from Costco, like I said. Anyway, so I've got a couple more plots to fill out over here, and then this Easy Store, I was plotting on it with my other one, like I said, but it crashed, so that's this guy right over here. So once this Easy Store is done, I'm going to go ahead and swap it out for the empty one over there, and then I'll go ahead and start filling up this guy first, then I'll fill up the last Seagate. Man, it just doesn't want to focus. Anyways, looking at my rewards so far, so I did get my first payout, which is going to be not there, but here. So I did get my first payout, which is, again, so my total right now, about 25 terabytes, which is not super accurate. This kind of fluctuates, but regardless though, my first payout was $1.51, and that's already been transferred to my Chia wallet. This is unpaid. It has to hit 0.01 Chia first, which, I mean, it's pretty close at this point. Again, about $1.50 or so. Once it kind of hits there, then we should be good to get that transferred over too. And so I'm getting about 0.0006% of the entire share, I believe. And if we just want to look at my history real quick, the past couple days I got a 0.0018 Chia here, 2.3 here, 2.7 here, 2.35 here, and again, I've just been growing my plots, and I guess for some reason the other day was a little bit low at 3.2, but yesterday we were sitting at 3.8, and then this is a new day because, like I said, it's about 3 a.m. so this new day started. And if we just want to look at my current kind of rates here, my past week I've got about almost 2.82, and then yesterday was about 57 cents. Today I'm at 7 cents, and so that should give you a good idea of how things are going. And so once these guys are filled up, I am thinking about kind of expanding this side just for fun. I probably won't be dumping any more of my personal money into it, but maybe just kind of dumping in some more cash from whatever I get from here. But we'll go ahead and we'll see what we want to do with that. But I am pretty excited. I'm enjoying it. So good stuff. Thanks for watching.